I'm going to show you how you can share folders on Google Drive. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I'm here at my Google Drive, and the first thing you need to do is create a folder if you don't have any yet. But in my case, this is the folder I want to share. So you can open it and see that's the correct folder. And to share it, what you need to do is go to your drive and right click the folder, and you will see the share option. So there are two different ways you can share this. The first one is with a link. So you can click here and send that link to anyone. But the one I personally recommend is going here and you will see more details. So in this case, I'm gonna send it to myself. And then all you need to do is select a permission you want to give to that person. So in this case, it will be editor. You can set a message and then click on send. So after that, they will get an email with an invitation, and they just need to accept it to get access to your Google Drive folder. So this way you can share files, you can upload any file into this folder, and they will have access to it on their Google Drive. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.